Hey everybody, KP here. So I've been working on a get home bag and I came across this carabiner, the 5-in-1 carabiner. Thought it looked cool, so figured I'd get it. You got a knife blade, Phillips screwdriver, regular screwdriver, bottle opener, now I don't know if I'd want to use the knife to do anything with, because it doesn't give you very good of a handle. Plus it doesn't lock in. It's supposed to. Oh, there it goes. Because they didn't put it far enough. Thought it looked pretty cool, so I went ahead and bought it. It was like $10 at the gas station. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. It is real metal. I feel like a thinner metal or almost a plastic in a way. It's a little too weak to do anything with because it's going to rock back and forth. I don't know. Trying to figure out what I could talk about it, but yeah, I don't think it's all that great. Figured I'd just give you all a heads up on some of the things that are floating out there. I will be doing a video soon on my get home bag, just in case, you know. Alrighty, see you on the next video.